Yeah. So again, guys, another trading session. As you can see here, I'm trading binary option as usual on Quotex. Yeah, I usually trade. So let's choose $400. I usually trade on IQ option. Here I'm trading on Quotex. I'm using the same strategy. Don't worry, the same strategy work here on Quotex, work on binary option, work on pocket option. Any platform that allows binary option trading, I advise you to try and try different platforms before choosing the one. The strategy is explained in the course in the description below. I can't share with you my strategy for free here because this will take me more than 3 hours. The course is longer than 3 hours. I will explain and share with you everything about my strategy. The advanced level is in the last chapter. Yeah, hopefully you will become a successful trader by learning my own strategy. But remember, I'm not guaranteeing you this because everything you see here is a simulation of what is possible. This is not 100% guaranteed. I'm not telling you that you are going to have the same results. This is not 100% guaranteed. You will need to spend a lot of time. You will need to invest time, money, and effort in order to be successful with trading binary options. So yeah, yep, this one is also going down. The next candle is going to be a red candle, or if I'm having a red here, perhaps I'm going to have a red one but a smaller red candle. Yep. So hopefully let's see, we are 100% going to have a red candle here, right? Red candle. We still have 15 seconds, as you can see, and I believe, yeah, IQ option is not, I think it's not allowed in the United States, in Canada, in UK, but pocket option is Quotex. I guess Quotex is also allowed on the United States, on Brazil, I guess all the countries. Yeah, perhaps everywhere you can trade with Quotex. So yeah, as you can see, I'm opening these trades with $400. I'm trading Euro USD. This one is going to be a bearish candle. Yeah, a bearish candle as expected. Look what's happening here. Look, it's beautiful. I love it when I see some things like this, candles going all the way up as I predict. This gives me goosebumps. Yeah, so let's go. All right. Yeah, beautiful. All right. Yeah, another $328 profit. So as you can see, guys, wait a minute, let me open this. I want to, yeah, $400. So as you can see, I'm making 82% profit. So if I'm investing $100, I'm making $82. So I'm getting back. I invest $100. I'm getting back $182 with $82 profit, right? So yeah, that's how you trade binary options on Quotex. There's plenty of other platforms. I don't advise you to on using any one of them. You need to do the research, look for the best one for you. I tried most of them and I can't tell you which one is the best. I can't really tell you. IQ option will give you a hard time letting you use or withdraw your money. Quotex will investigate you if you are making too much money. Pocket option, some people call it scammers. I'm not saying anything about them. I'm just saying what people think about them. Yeah, but I like to trade on different platforms because I'm used to trade on IQ option. Also, let's open this one. Also, Quotex is new and I like it. Pocket option also I like it sometimes. Yeah, but I like to keep my money on different platforms if I'm losing this one, because I had some problems with other crypto exchange. I had some problems with the one of the crypto exchanges. I couldn't withdraw my money, so yeah, I was just depressed for a moment. But yeah, now I'm trading here and I'm having good time, I guess. Yeah, I'm having good time. All right. Yeah, we still have, I guess, two or three candles to make profit from. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's. Yep, this one is also going up. Sorry, this one is going down. Yeah, I wasn't focusing. You need to focus when you are trading. This type of. Yeah, I'm not focusing. I will. This is the last trade, I guess. I will stop this session after this trade ends. Remember, this is a simulation of what is possible. I'm not guaranteeing you this. I'm not guaranteeing you that you will have the same results. I've been trading for years. I have a lot of experience. Yeah. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice.